The diagram below shows the graphs of y is equal to 2 plus 6x minus x squared and y is equal to 10 minus x. Find the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve y is equal to 2 plus 6x minus x squared. The question wants us to find the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve. The maximum point of the curve will occur at the turning point. The turning point of the curve is the point where the curve turns. On the graph sheet, we can see that the curve turns at this point. So we are looking for the coordinates of this point. To get the coordinates of this point, we will trace it to meet the x-axis and then we will trace it to meet the y-axis. When we trace it to meet the x-axis, the x value there is 3. When we trace it to meet the y-axis, the y value there is 11. So it means that the coordinates of this point is 3, 11. So the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve is 3, 11. When we look through the options we have here, the correct option is option C, 3, 11.